Creating photo collage. How to create photo collage on the Photoshop? So I'll tell you all these steps first of all. See, this is a background image. Okay, I have a background image, or let me just make a new image. Say this is my new image. I want to make a photo collage. Photo collage is simply you are putting various images here. For that, what you have to do is, you have to go to place. In this place, you have to select. Right? And since what you can select number of items. This is not just one item. There are so many items which you can select. So here my options, because I am using a free version of Adobe Photoshop, I don't have that JPG etc. But the things will remain same. I'll take a PDF. This is exactly same as putting any of the image. So this PDF has number of pages. So I'll take one of the PDF. PDF is actually an image only. So I'm taking this one, and now I'm putting it somewhere. So I'm placing it somewhere like here. Okay. Now I'm right clicking it, and I'm just saying place. So this has in place. Now I go again. I place. I take another image. So I say this one. Okay. Now again I find a suitable place to put it here. Right. Now let me go again. Right click and place. Again go to the place. Let me take one more of these, and I can take this one. Now let it be in between these two, and then place. Right. So this is my image. This is the collage. Means you can put any number of image you want, any size you want. These are all the options. You can just glue it. You see the things. So there are so many options. I would encourage you to try it, and let me export it for you, or you can save it also. So when you want to save it, it will be saved in any of the format. Let me save it for you. Let me go to the desktop. I have already this is saved. Let me save it. Now I'll show you this collage. The collage just being made is a JPG, and this is our collage. This is how you make a collage in Photoshop.